there's this new era of being vegan. Everybody's turning vegan these days, right?
Right.
Are vegan diets the most healthiest diets on this planet these days? Is that the way to go?
So I'm not a big supporter of vegan diets. I'm not a big supporter of any extreme diets. I support intermittent fasting only because it's a lifestyle. It's not a diet. You can still have the amount of carbs you want, the protein you want, the fats you want, and you should always consume everything in balance.
Right.
With vegan people, I have a lot of vegan patients, and I do see a lot of deficiencies like vitamin D, B12, and protein deficiency. And if you're vegan by choice and for other religious reasons also, you can always take support of supplements.
Right.
But there is a gap there. There's a deficiency, and you have to fulfill it with the right support.
And then my last question is, I want to lose weight. I want to consume less calories. Can I skip some meals? So is skipping meals the answer to lose weight?
So there is a very age-old concept called as intuitive eating.
Okay.
That means your body is always giving you signs of what it wants. So there will be times in the day when you will not feel hungry, and there will be times in the day when you will feel hungry. And it's a pattern, and you have to always pay attention to it. And if you pay attention to it for a month, you will understand what are your 2 peak hunger timings.
Okay.
Mostly for any normal human body, it's twice. So, for example, for me, first peak time is around 1:30 in the afternoon, and second peak is around 6:30, between 6:30 to 7:30.
Right.
That is when major meals come into place. And then I will be a little hungry around 3 or 4 p.m. and that's when a snack will come in.
Okay.
And that particular time, and that is basically your diet timings. And your body will always give you sign and signals of what you want. With kids, you will see when they have calcium deficiency, they will eat chalk.
Right.
They'll crave that.
Yeah.
When they have iron deficiency, they'll crave mitti or bricks. So that is how your body is telling you. You'll also crave ice when you're you have iron deficiency. So even there are times when your body will crave for a particular food. That is because it is giving you a sign, and especially when it's about a particular normal food item, you should eat it because there's a reason why your body is asking for it. So that's called intuitive eating. And if you're eating your food without watching TV, or if you're eating your food without any distractions, your intuitions will be right. So what is important is eating without any distractions, and you will know how much you want to eat, when you want to eat, and what you want to eat.
That's really interesting. Yeah. So eating without the phone on and scrolling through
and
the phone.
And chewing your food, yes.
And chewing your food.
Very important.
And cravings being a signal of what your body really wants.
Yes.